I have a whirlpool electric oven. My wife smelled burning plastic and oven began to smoke. Now the oven does not come on, no display or power. I removed the rear cover where the power cord is attached to a switch or some sort. I noticed the plastic on the switch is burned where the red wire is connected. I am pretty sure this switch needs to be replaced, but my question is, could there be anything else that needs to be replaced? Model #RF362LXTB3.
Are you talking about where the power cord connects to the unit?
Yay!
You can take the model number and go to a local appliance parts dealer and tell them you need a connection block and they replace it, and if the wires are burnt off, just replace the end and put it on the new block and the cord if needed, and it will be okay. The block will cost about $15. Glad I could help you with your problem today. Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.